Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at a crazy clearance deal that I got from BOGO. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make for to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yeah, always look at the bit section. This is a really good deal here. Some auger bits. This is a 3-piece, 5/8, 3/4, and 1-inch. Auger bit. This is one of the better ones that they have from Bosch. $15.97 from $39.98. That's a really good price. Less than half actually. Alright, we got some reciprocating saw blades here. $7.57 down from $18.98. This is, you got demolition metal. You got thick metal, and then you got demolition wood. They're still running the buy one get one free. You buy with a $199 2-pack of batteries, get a free tool. Some really great deals. They're still running these. Obviously, the rotary hammer is the way to go. It's the best one to get. They do have the newer reciprocating saw there, and lots of brushless tools. So keep that in mind. I believe you cannot hack this, but let me know that in the comment section if you guys are able to hack it. That is the battery pack right there for $199. Those are the tools. You got the jigsaw, you got the rotary hammer, the SDS rotary hammer, D handle, $219. You got the angle grinder. This is an old brushed angle grinder. You got the same thing with the Craftsman. They're running the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, you get a free starter kit with the 4 amp-hour battery. Obviously, most of these are all brushless tools. Project Farm did do a video on the angle grinder. This is actually one of the better ones. Little less than DeWalt, but still one of the better ones. So that is definitely one of the ones to get. The angle grinder is, and then you got the oscillating tool just right next to it. The oscillating tool does have the toolless blade change, so you can get that. That's a really nice tool. Like I said, this angle grinder is worth it, especially for that $119. All these tools have DeWalt DNA, so just keep that in mind when you're buying these. Basically, it's like just buying a brushless DeWalt. So $129 for the reciprocating saw, which it looks the same as looks almost the same as the DeWalt. $129 for the circ saw, and then you got the impact wrench $119. All right, you got the triple hammer. This is top of the line Metabo. You got it for $149, down from $169. So that is the kit. It's a really nice kit. I do have the 36 volts. Thanks to Beast. You got $149 down to $129. This is the drill driver. Alright, you got the bare bones here. The starter, the entry level. $99 down from $139. And then the drill driver down from $129 to $99. So pretty good deals on this. We got this one on clearance or reduced price, $89 from $149. I believe this is just display as it says right there. So you do have to watch out for these prices and see what it says right there. $47.37 down from $79 clearance. 2 amp-hour battery, $79. So it was $79 down from $47. So if you know anybody that has Bosch, still make sure they go around the stores. There still may be a few left. $59.98. I guess that's the price because it was that same price. It's not too bad of a price for the skill. This is a really nice skill saw. This is not the skill saw. This is just the skill. Just remember, guys, these are two different brands. Skill is just the homeowner, prosumer type tool. A skill saw is the professional grade tools and saws. So just keep that in mind. They're two different tools. It should be owned by the same company, but two different manufacturers, two different type of tools. Alright, so you got the BOGO deals, buy one get one free. You buy any of the bare tools, 12 volt bare tools, you get a free starter kit. This is the starter kit you're gonna get. This is a really good deal. You get a 3 amp-hour, 5 amp-hour, and a charger. That's a really nice, good deal on that. $37.57 down from $46.98. It's a really nice price. It's a nice set there for you got lots of metric and SAE. Alright, got a socket set here with an extension ratchet, really nice ratchet, 20 piece, 1/4" drive, 6 point sockets, $24.98 down from $32.98, 20 piece. That's pretty good. Alright, you got a 105 piece gunmetal chrome, $79, $79.98 down from $119. That's actually a really good price. You got the Lufkin 50 feet steel tape, $7.98. So you get a couple bucks off on this one. Alright, this one's a really good deal. It's a 100 piece socket set. I got some ratchets, some bits, some screwdrivers, 2 ratchets, 41 sockets, and $44.98 down from $74.98. Yeah, this is actually a really good kit there. A really good price. $89 down from $109. This is a 129 piece mechanics tool set. It's a little bigger kit still, for I think for the $44, and the other one's the better deal. You got $10.98, a Blue Hawk 10 pack of gloves. So not too bad. Nitro coated gloves. Then some people are reporting to getting this like for $4 or $5 a piece. So guys, these are really expensive blades. If you guys see them, make sure you guys look at your store, and actually not look at your store. Ask an associate to scan them for you. See the actual price on these, because some of these items are like really cheap, and they're not. I know the tags are not updated. All right, so you got this one. This one's universal bike rack, up to 100 pounds. Clearance for $71.17 down from $89. Pretty sure these will drop. And then you got some cargo extender carrier. I guess it does fold. So $131 down from $139. And then you got some ATVs. I didn't know Lowe's sold ATVs. This Lowe's actually had a few ATVs parked outside, which I didn't know. This is the first Lowe's I've seen with ATVs, but they do have some accessories here. You got the Bully brand here. There's off-road lights. Then they got some what is it? Roll cage organizer, black large, $69. And that's the way it looks there. The box, this is large. Like I said, I've never seen a Lowe's that sold ATVs. And this is the ATV cover, $59.98. That's the way it looks. This is Bully. The Bully brand, I guess. $79.98. UTV tactical soft rifle bag. So that is the bag for that. Then we got a winch. Yeah, winches. We've seen them. 2,500 pound. 12 volt electric winch. $71.17. So it is on clearance down from $89. That's actually a pretty good deal. And you got the item number there. And then this is the event that they have, the Just for Pros event. They got the flex still, the impact wrench $2.99, and they got the impact driver drill drive for $2.49. And then some other blades and spade bits there. And then they got a nail gun, metapo nail gun there. Guys, this is the Eagle section. So they got the $6.99. I believe that's a cross-cut self-propelled rear wheel drive. Yeah, that's not the cross-cut. That's just the rear wheel drive self-propelled model. 21-inch deck. And then they got the self-propelled rear wheel drive. I don't know, maybe the other one was the select cut or the cross cut or whatever. It's really hard to find out what model you have. Then they got this one for $3.99. This was just a push mower, 21-inch, 56 volts. But check this out, guys. I found this a hidden gem here, $125 from $3.99. When I saw this, I was like, never seen any Eagle deals around me. So this is like the first Eagle score that I was able to find, and it does have the battery. If you guys see there, it does have the battery. That's the first thing I was checking for. It does have the charger, and it is used, guys. It is used. It looks like somebody returned it, maybe used it a few weeks or a week or something, and decided not to get it and returned it. The mower actually looks pretty clean, so they must have cleaned it before they brought it back. But yeah, it is used. I will do an unboxing on this one. I will do a video on that one, so you guys stay tuned and check it out. You got a 3000 watt. This is the first time I see the Nexus power station in a Lowe's. It's $1,000, 56 volts Nexus power station. This is something I would like to get in the future. And yes, guys, they did have another mower on clearance. This one's down to $249, down from $499. This is one 20-inch push mower, guys. You guys look at the model number. This one's a steel deck. This is the picture here. I was doing some research up at the model number, and this one, they do make steel decks. This is it right here. If I would have known that this was here, this was a steel deck, I would have gotten this one instead, because I prefer steel deck instead of plastic. But unfortunately, I'm across town. I'm away from this section. But this is the one I managed to get for the one for $128. Well, that was just a killer deal. It is used, like I said, but even the battery is worth it by himself. I did consult it with the DLTM6. They told me to get it, check for the battery. So I got it approved by the DLTM6. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.